Today we are going to talk about indirect speech and how do you answer it in positive question. There are two types in this indirect speech question. The first type is called WH question, means that the question will be started with what, which, why, where, when, and how. And then the second type we'll discuss it later. Now we look at the first type. So before we start answering the example here, you need to memorize or remember the sentence structure rule, subject, verb, when you answer this question. So now let's look at the first example. Ben said to me, how long will you stay in Greece? So as long as you see the sentence with a question mark behind, you need to change the verb to ask. So your answer will be started with Ben asked me how long. The word how long, you need to put it in the same place in order to connect your answer. And then will you stay? Will you stay here is in question type of sentence structure. So here you need to reverse the sequence in order to agree to this rule, subject verb. So the subject here is you. When you put it in this place, you need to look at the persons here referring to me. So you need to change it to pronoun I. And then after that, you need to continue with the verb will stay. From simple future, you need to change it to simple past. Becomes would stay. And then in Greece, you just write down in the same place without any changes. And then end up with a full stop. That's all. Now let's look at the second example. Kelly told Jane, what are you listening at this moment? And then here sentence is the same with a question mark. You need to change it to ask. Kelly asked Jane. The word what, you need to put it in the same place. And then are you listening is in question type of sentence structure. This is the same. You need to reverse the sequence in order to agree to this rule. You is referring to Jane. So Jane is a girl, you use the pronoun she. And then are listening is the verb. When you continue here, you need to change the tenses from present continuous to past continuous. She is a singular noun and followed by a singular verb, was listening. At this moment you need to change it to that moment referring to the past. And then full stop. That's all. So the tenses conversion is what you need to memorize on your own, and that you may refer to your common exercise. And then if you still have any question, you may contact me through messenger or email me. That's all.